Fences are dangerous for wildlife. Fences have been built to contain cattle and other livestock, to mark boundaries, and to protect us. But fences have a bad result in blocking and fragmenting wildlife in their travel and migration. Fences keep animals from roaming their natural range because they are barriers. Often fences are too high or too low to pass, too tightly spaced, or old and loose, causing animals to get tangled, or are woven too tightly so that only the adult wildlife can pass, but not their young. Many animals roam or migrate each day in search of water, shelter, and food. Fences create barriers that prevent wildlife like deer, antelope, birds, and bats from getting to these resources. One of the biggest problems for wildlife is that fences are either too high to jump over or too low to crawl under. Wildlife like deer or elk that try to jump over a fence frequently get caught in the top two wires or get injured in crossing over fences. In the case of the pronghorn antelope, these animals are not built to jump over fences and need to go under. Just like high fences, antelope can get caught or seriously injured by wire barbs while crawling under fences. Woven wire fence is probably the most dangerous type of fence to wildlife. Woven wire is different than stranded barbed wire because it forms a mesh that doesn't allow an animal to pass through. These fences are as high as regular fences, and many adult animals like deer and elk can cross by jumping over. However, very young animals are unable to jump high enough to get over the fence. The young are separated from their mothers and often starve to death or become prey. There are millions of miles of fence crossing the country, which has protected cattle and livestock and people. Fences are visible reminders of space and boundaries, but they have also slowly isolated and trapped wildlife into smaller and smaller areas. There needs to be regulations to fences to allow animals more freedom and safety to roam and migrate. The highest strand or the lowest strands of barbed wire can be replaced with smooth wire so that wildlife will not suffer injuries passing over or under the fence. Old, loose, and extra wire should be removed from fences, and fences that no longer serve a purpose should be removed to allow more open ranging for wildlife. In times of migration or when wildlife are traveling with young, there should be ways to funnel wildlife to gates, tunnels, or places where they can safely pass.